Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are continuing our exercise number 3.3 of chapter 3, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. So fifth part is a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So means numerator and denominator, we need to take two different variables. Let numerator of fraction be x. So denominator be y. Now let's see the first condition. 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So we can write here first, therefore fraction is equal to x by y. Okay. So if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it should be x plus 2 over y plus 2. This is equal to 9 by 11. Okay. So now cross multiply and find first equation. So this is 11 should be multiplied with x plus 2 and 9 should be multiplied with y plus 2. Okay. So let's open these brackets. So this is 11x. 11 into 2 is 22. 9 into y is 9y. 9 into 2 is 18. Okay. So take variables on one side. So 11x, this is minus 9y. 22 will go to other side, so 18 minus 22. So our first equation is 11x minus 9y. 18 minus 22 is minus 4. So this is our first equation. Okay. Let's see the second thing. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, so now our new fraction will be x plus 3 over y plus 3. Right. Then our fraction is 5 by 6. So again cross multiply them and find your second equation. So this is 6 times x plus 3 is equal to 5 times y plus 3. Okay. So open these brackets. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So now 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. That is minus 3. So my second equation is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So these are the two equations. First one is 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. And second is 6x minus 5y equals to minus 3. So these are having smaller coefficients. We will take the value of one variable from this. So we will say from 2, suppose I am taking the value of 6x. So 6x is equal to minus 3 plus 5y. What should be x then? Minus 3 plus 5y over 6. Okay. So let this be third equation. So now we will put this value in our first equation. So substitute 3 in 1. Okay. So this is 11 times what is x? That is minus 3 plus 5y divided by 6 minus 9y equals to minus 4. So now what we can do here again, this is in fraction. These terms are without any denominator. So let's take LCM. So 6 and 1 LCM has 6. So that we can eliminate our denominator. Okay. So now open this. 11 into minus 3 is minus 33. 11 into 5 is 55y. 9 into 6 is 54y. Divided by 6 is equal to minus 6 into 4 is minus 24 by 6. So now as you know, this 6 and 6 will be ignored. So minus 54 plus 55 is only 1y. So minus 33 plus y is equal to minus 24. Okay. So then what is y? This is minus 24 plus 33 and y will be, this is 6 plus 3, 9. So what is our denominator? Y as 9. Clear? So now put this value in third equation. So put y equals to 9 in 3. So what is x then? This is minus 3 plus 5 times 9 divided by 6. Okay. So this is minus 3, 9 and 5 is 45, 45 by 6. So minus 3 plus 45 is 42, 42 by 6 and this is 7. So what is x then? 7. And the question is find the fraction. So therefore what is fraction? Fraction is x by y and x is 7, y is 9. Okay. So I hope fifth part is clear. Now let's see the last part. So sixth part is 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago his age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So we will assume their present ages to be x and y and then find their relationship. So let present age of Jacob be x years, his son be y years. Okay. So now two conditions are there. 5 years hence means present age plus 5 years. Okay. From now 5 years afterwards. So we can write, we can make a table. So let this be 5 years hence or after 5 years and before 5 years. Okay. So this is always, it's always recommended to make this table so that you can easily frame your equations. Okay. So on one side we will write Jacob and second person is his son. So now let's see, if present age is x and y, what is the age after 5 years? So Jacob, if today he is of x years, he will be x plus 5. Okay. Similarly, if his son's age is today y years, after 5 years he will be y plus 5 years. Okay. And before 5 years, if today he is x years, before 5 years we will subtract 5 years from both ages. So Jacob's age before 5 years will be x minus 5 and his son's age before 5 years it will be y minus 5. So now let's make equations. So condition is 5 years hence means we will use these values. Jacob was 3, Jacob will be 3 times. So what is Jacob's age? That is x plus 5. This is 3 times his son's age. So son's age after 5 years is y plus 5. So open these brackets, 3y plus 15. Okay. So now shift variables on one side. This is 5 on this side. So our first equation will be x minus 3y equals to 10. So this is my first equation. Second is 5 years ago means we will use these values. Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So before 5 years, Jacob is x minus 5 years and this age was 7 times of his son and his son's age at that time was y minus 5. Clear? So now again open the brackets to form the equation. So 7 into 5 is 35. Again shift variables to one side and constants to other side. So minus 35 plus 5 and our equation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 30. Okay, so these are the two equations, right? So x variable don't have any coefficient, so we can take the value of x from any one variable. So let's see, from 1, x minus 3y is equal to 10. So what is the value of x? This is 10 plus 3y, and let this equation to be 3. So now put this equation in other equation, means equation number 2. So substitute 3 in 2. So now x, that is this value, 10 plus 3y minus 7y, so minus 7y equals to minus 30. Okay, so again 3y minus 7y is minus 4y, so 10 minus 4y equals to minus 30. So now we will shift this 10 to other side. Minus 4y is equal to minus 30. This is also plus 10. So on this side it will be minus 10. So then what is y? 30 minus 30 minus 10 is minus 40 over minus 4, and we will get this value as 10. So y is equal to 10 is the age of his son. So now how to find x? Put this value in equation number 3. So put y equals to 10 in 3. So what is x then? This is 10 plus 3 times y, and y is 10. So 10 plus 3 into 10 is 30. So x is equal to 40. Okay. So now in the last we will write. So present age of Jacob is x years, that is 40 years. Therefore Jacob's present age is equal to 40 years. Okay, and his son's present age is what is son's age? That is y. This is equal to 10. So 10 years. I hope this part is also clear. So with this part, our exercise number 3.3 is over. I hope you understood all the questions of this exercise. If you like my teaching, please subscribe to my channel. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the next exercise of this chapter. Thank you.